Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to tell you how to become private on X. So the most significant action if you want to become private on X is to make your account private. In other words, it is called to protect your posts. So let's do that step by step together. First of all, open X on your phone and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now in this menu you have to scroll down until you see settings and privacy. Now as you can see, your settings are divided into different sections. You want to go to a section that's called privacy and safety, and from here open section audience and tagging. Finally, at the very top of your page you should see this option that is called protect your posts. So let's enable it, and from this moment my account now is private. So basically how it works, only your current followers are able to see your content on your page, your posts, and any new people who want to follow you on X, they must send you follower requests that you must manually decline or approve. And there is a specific dedicated page on X how you can do that. So tap your profile picture in the top left, and from this menu you want to tap follower requests, and here you can manage your new followers on X. You can either accept them or decline them. And yeah, again, as I said earlier, that your post will not appear in public search on X. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.